Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to our next tutorial on HTML colors and hyperlink. So yeah, I remember in our class we talked about hyperlink, an aspect of hyperlink, by the way. So without much waste of time, let's just finish up where we started. So this is code from the previous class. I'll just get rid of this. Then I would like to minimize this a bit just to see the screen. Okay. So remember I mentioned two different kinds of colors. I mentioned RGB colors and I mentioned hexadecimal colors. So in hexadecimal colors we have things like FF0000. There are about 6 of them. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So but this starts with what we call the pound sign, the hashtag. That's this. So just like the RGB colors, the first red color, that's the R. Now listen please. The first R, that's the red color, represents, in this hexadecimal format, represent the first two colors. And the G color represents the second two color, and the B color, that's the blue, represent the last two colors. So when you use FF00, it means somehow you're giving the value red color and then the remaining to be 0 color. So when you use all 0000000, you're giving it black color. And when you specify all to be FFFFFF, that's 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you're giving it all to become white color, just like the RGB we had of 000 and then of 2555 and the rest. Okay, so in practical terms, this is what I mean. So I can have my P tag if I want. I can take it to an H1 tag, to my choice, and I can specify the style equal to this. I can keep it on color and colon. Then I can specify my red. Remember this, and then close this. I can just type colored. Close my tab. Remember, closing my tab with the same format I open my tab, which is this. So I can go ahead and save this and display it on the screen. And then as usual is red. Final is very big, right, because of the H1 tag. So but I'm using my hexadecimal color, which is, remember, hash FF0000. That's 6. Save, refresh. Okay, that still remains black. Okay, so we need to use our color and specify it. save it. Go ahead and clear most of this stuff. So then we refresh. It gives us red. What if I use O as F? O as F. Remember there are 6 of them. It gives me white. That gives me definitely white. Let me make you understand what I mean. So I can come to the body. Okay, let's keep proceeding. So I can give this second one 0 0. Refresh. It gives me a dark color. So I can keep on switching the color one after the other, just to mix up different kind of colors. And then this is what we call an hexadecimal color. And I want to show you something right here in the body tag. I can apply a background color, and otherwise you call it a BG color. BG color. Okay. So background color. Equal to red. Okay. Yeah, but the style equal to same thing. So you're going to watch how I think we should make this yeah, red is okay. So I want to change the whole background color. That's the whole background color, and everything is red. So you see that I placed it in the body tag. So everything within the body tag, which is all the content right here after the body, changes to the value red. So I can make it faint. So the reason why I recommend you using things like the hashtag FF00FF. So you see how the color will be faint and classical or fresh. See that? Can go ahead and use my red, for my hexadecimal color, and then the color becomes, you know, red. So imagine me using my RGB, which would be nice in this case. So you're going to see really the difference. So make a red color, but this time around maybe 180 and 170, 145, command 0, command 0. Yeah, it's a little bit faint. With this ox blood, I think that's what it's called, ox blood. So this is really nice, and then not too red, just okay, faint enough. Yeah, so this is all I'm going to tell you about colors, except we have to apply it in other features. But the next thing I want to show you is on links. So I'll quickly talk about links. We have different kinds of links. We have something we refer to as an absolute link. And we also have what we call a local link. So we have an absolute link or a relative link, in other words known as a local link. So a link tag, which sometimes refers to an hyperlink in websites, A link tag is represented in this format: href. So you start off with the a tag, which is the anchor tag, then the href representing the referencing. So like I said, we have what we call the absolute link, which is a link that will lead you to another website entirely, and we have what we call the local link. I'll just give you the introduction to a link, but I'll talk more on link in our next upcoming tutorials. But the first thing I'm going to show you on link is the easiest way to make a link. You start it with the 8 anchor tag, and then you can also end it with anchor tag. So you can end it with this. So you can push something like please click, and then we can do something like equal to remember our codes, and then remember maybe yes.html. Well, if you look at the screen, we've not created any program called yes.html. So we can go ahead and open our new page. So this is new page, and we're going to go ahead and save this new page with yes.html. We go and click yes.html. Now the reason why I'm creating and saving something with yes.html is anytime I click on my link, it takes me to yes.html. So okay, so I just want to do a little bit of funny stuff, like come back here, copy everything, go back here, paste everything, and I'm going to type all my yeah, and type anything I want because it's my system, so I can type everything I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, yeah, this everything. I'm going to go ahead and save this. So now I have two files that I've saved here. First is colors.html, and then the second is yes.html. So I told you my referencing that anytime I click please click me, it should take me to any text editor that was created with a name saved with yes.html. So I'm taking a reference. So this is my referencing, yes.html. Anytime you click please click me, it's going to take me to yes.html. So let's run this program on the screen and see what it does. Now this is please click me, so we go ahead and click it, and it takes us to a page called yes.html. Remember, the boy is not a human face. So this is what this particular thing can do. This is what we refer to as a local what is called again, a relative. This is a relative link or a local link. The reason is because it takes me to actually another page or a local page. But if I'm dealing with an absolute, so like I said, let me briefly talk on this so that next time we'll do more of that stuff. So if I want to go to an absolute site, which is to the World Wide Web, I'm going to do something like http yeah, I think http colon maybe slash www dot maybe facebook.com http I think this is how we make a website stuff, www.h blah blah blah.com. So So let me figure out if that's true. HTTPs / YouTube. Okay, so let's go ahead and display our program. Let's go ahead and refresh. Okay, please click me. Yeah, click. Since the page we made is not quite correct, so we'll go ahead. So we have HTTP / www.facebook.com. So I'm going to try to save this program, and then I'm going to refresh it again on my screen. So this is okay. Refresh. So please click. So I'm clicking on this right now. So let's see where it takes me to. Since it's having a hard time loading, it's loading. Come on, just come up. Please just come up. So if you look here, it's telling me to log in somewhere, so maybe we should just wait for it to load. So yeah, the page just loaded. So this is Facebook. This is live on Facebook. So you see, clicking on that link alone takes me to the Facebook website, and then it asks me to sign up, so I can do all manner of stuff right there, and then I'm logged into my Facebook account. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this, but just know it takes me to my Facebook account. So this is what I called to you as an absolute website, because it takes me to the World Wide Web, which is like things like the Facebook. So I can decide to also change it and go to things like Google by just clicking the near link, Facebook, Jovi. So I can change this to okay, from Facebook to Google. I think that's how we spell Google. Google. So I can go ahead to my screen to refresh it. Please click. That should be the second one. So it takes me to Google Direct. The link is into the same line. I can go ahead and break the link, and it takes me to a different place entirely. So guys, stick with this, try to play around with this. In my next tutorial we're going to really do more things on this, so maybe it takes time to open. Yeah, it just loads. So this is my Google, so I can go ahead and search anything I want to search. So thank you guys very much for listening to my tutorial, and I'm really grateful. Bye bye for now.